So what exactly is going on here? Has the DA completely changed its view on NHI? Before I get into that, ladies and gentlemen, please leave a like on this video, share it far and wide, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. All right, let's get into it.
Criminals must taste you.
Ma'am, can you give me protection from yourself?
Did I hear that correctly? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Newsflash. I'm your host, Joe Emilio. Thanks for tuning in. DA changes tune about NHI court challenge now that it's part of the GNU.
Traitor!
The DA seems to be reconsidering its intention to challenge the National Health Insurance NHI Bill in Constitutional Court, following the party's entry into the Government of National Unity, or GNU. This after DA leader John Steenhuisen had criticized President Cyril Ramaphosa's announcement that he would sign the NHI Bill into law on Wednesday, 15th of May, 2024, ahead of the elections. However, now with the DA being a part of the GNU, which is comprised of 10 parties, including the ANC, Steenhuisen has indicated a shift in approach. He told City Press that the DA was working to find common ground on the issue within the GNU framework. He's quoted as saying, "I think at the end of the day, we all want the same thing, universal access to basic health care for all South Africans, regardless of economic status," said Steenhuisen. He added, "We just differ on how we get there. And I hope that consensus and collaboration will bring us closer to achieving universal basic health care in our lifetime." Steenhuisen acknowledged that any court proceedings would have been initiated before the GNU was formed. He also said, "We are going to use all the leverage we have within the GNU. We're not the only party with concerns about NHI." So it would seem that the DA has a new position, but it's the same spineless DA. With more power comes more responsibility, and yet the DA is very scared to rock the boat. And of course, now that they're in parliament and part of government, of course that comes with a huge pay increase, so why would they want to rock the boat? I know that some of you might comment in the comment section below and say, yeah, but maybe the DA should be a little bit more or a little bit less aggressive in their approach towards NHI, that we should all work together in unity to find a solution. And to that I say, this is the ANC. Never trust a commie.
Damn straight.
The thing is, the DA didn't have much spine before they were part of the GNU, right? And I thought they'd be a little bit more aggressive now, especially when it comes to corruption and maybe devolution, for example. But it seems that they're going to nitpick or be very picky with what hills they want to die on. And it's like they don't learn, like they've played nice before and the ANC just doesn't listen to them. And for those of you that might comment in my comment section and say, why am I against NHI? Listen, in theory, I'm not. It's a great idea in theory. Who doesn't want free healthcare? The issue I have here isn't necessarily the NHI itself, but the people who are going to implement it, i.e. the ANC. I question their intentions and motives, and again, they don't have a very good track record of maintaining things. Right now, I think NHI just can't be done because the ANC will put cadres in certain positions and the NHI fund will be drained, and the only people that will suffer are the South African people because politicians have enough money to get the best medical health care, even if it isn't in South Africa. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think about all this? Do you think the DA is playing a long game? Do you think they should play nice? Or do you think they should be a little bit more aggressive when it comes to fighting back? While you're down there, please leave a like on this video, share it far and wide, and subscribe to the channel. I've got more content coming your way. And with all that being said, thank you for watching. Your Newsflash is in.
Making a legacy sequel, let's do a Mad Lib, give me an 80s movie.
Back to the Future.
Okay, give me one of the kids from Stranger Things.
No Snap.
Alright, why is he in the past?
He drove there.
Okay, how's he get back to the future?
Michael J. Fox helps him.
Alright, give me some 90s nostalgia.
Vanilla Ice.
And are we gonna cry?
Yep.
Alright, and Back to the Future 4, Noah Schnapp plays Martin McFly Jr., who while in college misses his father's death. He goes home after the funeral, goes into the garage, uncovers a car. It's a 1981 DeLorean DMC-12. He cruises in the rain, getting it up to 88 miles per hour, gets struck by lightning, drives right into 1992, swerving to hit a man, hits a tree instead. That man, a de-aged, motion capture Michael J. Fox. Marty and Jr. go on a quest to find Dodge schematics and fix the DeLorean before the CIA can find it and use it for warfare. The McFlys find it first, and as Marty's fixing it, he's listening to Vanilla Ice, and Jr.'s like, who's that? And Marty's like, is this not the most famous rapper in the future? Also, how did I let you drive this thing? And Jr.'s like, because he passed away, Dad. I didn't even get a chance to say goodbye. And Marty's like, well, you just did, son. Now don't get too caught up in the future or the past because you'll miss all the moments and we'll all cry happy tears as we go to the bank to count our happy fucking money.